Welcome to our Power Supply Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular models, the Segotep 650W and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision for your next build. When it comes to wattage, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 clearly takes the lead with its impressive 850W output, making it suitable for high-end systems that demand more power. In contrast, the Segotep 650W provides sufficient power for mid-range builds, but may fall short for users looking to run multiple graphics cards or overclocking setups. Cable management is another crucial aspect to consider. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 2 features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, resulting in a cleaner build and improved airflow. On the other hand, the Segotep 650W is non-modular, which can lead to cable clutter and make installation more challenging. Price is always a significant factor in any purchase decision. The Segotep 650W comes at a budget-friendly price of $59, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V2 is priced at $99, reflecting its premium features and higher wattage. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and power requirements. In conclusion, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses. The Segotep 650W is a solid choice for budget-conscious users, while the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V2 is ideal for those needing more power and better cable management. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.